Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you photographers out there. We're going to talk about the best camera roller bag on the market, the Neewer 2-in-1 Convertible Wheeled Camera Backpack. If you're a photography enthusiast or a professional photographer, this is a must-have for you. Stick around as we explore its features and benefits. Alright, let's dive right in. First and foremost, what sets the Neewer 2-in-1 Convertible Wheeled Camera Backpack apart is its impeccable camera gear protection. This bag is designed to safeguard your valuable DSLR cameras, lenses, hoods, strobes, tripod, and other accessories in style. Its durable nylon exterior is not only water-resistant but also perfect for shooting in various conditions, whether it's raining or humid. Inside, it boasts 11 adjustable dividers that securely hold your gear in place. These dividers are not just ordinary dividers. They're anti-shock dividers, ensuring your equipment stays safe from any unexpected bumps during transit. Now, let's talk about storage space. This bag offers an impressive amount of room. With dimensions of 22 by 14 by 10, it fits most airline overhead bins, making it a fantastic choice for travel. You can easily organize your DSLR cameras, lenses, and even a laptop up to 17 inches in the front pocket. But that's not all. There are also 4 tiny pockets and 4 mesh pockets for your SD cards, batteries, cables, chargers, filters, and other accessories, ensuring you stay organized on the go. Portability and comfort are key when you're traveling with camera gear. The Neewer 2-in-1 Camera Backpack features an extendable telescopic handle and smooth wheels that make transportation a breeze. Whether you're rolling it through an airport or on location, it's effortless. And don't worry about discomfort. The foam-padded shoulder straps are comfortable to wear. And you've got 2 backpack handles for easy grabbing. Neewer goes the extra mile to protect your gear. They've included a rain cover that offers additional protection against rain, dirt, and dust. Your equipment stays dry even in unpredictable weather conditions. So, to sum it up, the Neewer 2-in-1 Convertible Wheeled Camera Backpack is truly the best camera roller bag on the market. It combines outstanding camera gear protection, ample storage space, portability, and comfort all in one package. If you're a photographer, this bag will be your trusted companion. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome reviews, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep capturing those incredible moments.